Today, we are not voting on who the next Secretary of Labor is. The next Secretary of Labor, the next Secretary of Education, the next Secretary of Housing, the next Secretary of the Treasury is Elon Musk. And let us understand that reality and not play along with the charade. Does anyone here really think that any Secretary of Labor, any Secretary of Education is going to make decisions by himself or herself? Just yesterday, President held a meeting with his cabinet. And who was the star of the meeting? Was it the Secretary of Defense? Was it the Secretary of State? No, it was an unelected official, happens to be the wealthiest person on earth. It was Elon Musk. And at that meeting, President Trump asked his cabinet, is anybody unhappy with Elon? Well, if you are, we'll throw them out of here, end of quote. In other words, if any cabinet official has the courage to stand up to Mr. Musk and disobey his edicts, they are gone. So, Mr. Chairman, my request to you is a simple one. Let's be honest. The American people understand it, and it's time that we understood it as well. If you want to discuss policies in the Department of Labor, let's bring in the real secretary. Mr. Chairman, I respectfully request that this committee bring Elon Musk before this committee so that we can really hear what's going on with the government.